A silverback mountain gorilla emerges from the mist, making direct eye contact, a living emblem of Rwanda's untamed beauty. In the heart of Africa, mist-shrouded volcanoes cradle secrets that shaped wildlife and human history. Amidst emerald rainforests and sapphire lakes, Rwanda's wildlife flourishes alongside communities of hope. In Rwanda's misty north, Volcanoes National Park rises, a sanctuary for the last mountain gorillas. Here, 5 volcanoes cradle gentle giants whose existence borders on myth. Trekking through bamboo thickets, visitors share the forest with these magnificent creatures. At the heart of Rwanda, Kigali rises, a city of gentle hills, modern boulevards, and a spirit that defies expectation. Its immaculate streets and vibrant gardens tell a story of determination and care. The Kigali Genocide Memorial honors the lost and inspires healing. Kigali's ban on plastic bags sets a model for sustainability. Here, hope and unity shape a vibrant future. Deep in Rwanda's southwest, Nyungwe Forest National Park unfurls like a green tapestry. Africa's oldest montane rainforest, shrouded in mist and mystery. The air is alive with the calls of chimpanzees and colobus monkeys leaping through the treetops. The canopy walkway offers a bird's-eye view of this living cathedral. To walk beneath these towering trees is to walk back through time itself. Nestled between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo, Lake Kivu's sapphire expanse glimmers beneath the sun, framed by rolling hills and volcanic peaks. Along its shores, Rubavu beckons with palm-lined promenades and gentle waves. Beneath the tranquility, adventure awaits, kayaking across shifting light and echoing birdsong. Or relax as the scent of roasting coffee drifts from lakeside cafes. To the east, Akagera National Park stands as one of Africa's most inspiring conservation stories. Once ravaged by conflict, Akagera has been reborn. Lions roar, rhinos graze, and antelope race through golden grass. The reintroduction of lions and rhinos has restored the park's natural balance. From sunrise safaris to tranquil boat rides, Akagera proves nature can heal. Beneath the fertile fields of Musanze, a labyrinth of lava tubes stretches for miles, a testament to Rwanda's volcanic origins. The Musanze caves invite the intrepid to descend into darkness, where walls glisten with mineral secrets and thousands of bats flutter overhead. Guided by torchlight, explorers trace the path of volcanic fire, marveling at the power that shaped these hidden chambers. Emerging from the depths, one is struck by awe, a reminder that Rwanda's wonders are not only found above ground. At the foot of the Virunga volcanoes, the twin lakes of Ruhondo and Bulera lie like mirrors, reflecting the sky and mountains in their tranquil waters. Surrounded by terraced farms and fishing villages, these volcanic crater lakes are a sanctuary for both people and wildlife. The lake's shorelines are alive with the rhythms of daily life, fishermen paddling dugout canoes, farmers tending to crops, and children chasing the wind. The twin lakes are a place to contemplate the beauty and endurance of Rwanda's landscapes, a living harmony between land, water, and sky. In the west, Gishwati-Mukura National Park is a testament to Rwanda's commitment to renewal. Once nearly devastated by deforestation, this forest is now a beacon of hope, where restoration and conservation go hand in hand. Ancient hardwoods and blossoming figs shelter rare birds, butterflies, and a growing population of chimpanzees. Trails wind through sun-dappled clearings, where the calls of primates and the rustle of leaves create a living symphony. As the forest heals, so too does the land. Proof that with vision and care, even the most fragile ecosystems can recover. In Nyanza, the heart of Rwanda's ancient kingdom, the king's palace rises, a symbol of tradition and continuity. The reconstructed palace, with its thatched domes and elegant courtyards, brings to life the grandeur of Rwanda's monarchs. Here, the iconic Ankole cattle graze, majestic beasts with sweeping horns, revered throughout the region. The palace is more than a museum, it is a living link to Rwanda's storied past. In the academic town of Huye stands the Ethnographic Museum, a treasure trove of Rwandan culture, history, and artistry. Its colonial architecture shelters a world of woven baskets, ceremonial spears, and vibrant textiles. Each artifact a thread in the nation's rich tapestry. The museum's galleries trace the journey of Rwanda's people, from ancestral villages to the present day. In Huye, the past is preserved not as relic, but as inspiration, reminding all who visit that Rwanda's story is best told by those who live it. Scattered across Rwanda, the Genocide Memorial sites of Murambi and Tarama and Nyamata are sacred ground, places where silence speaks louder than words. Within the walls of former churches and schools, the memory of unimaginable loss is preserved with dignity and care. These memorials bear witness to the darkest chapter in Rwanda's modern history, honoring the stories of survivors and the lives of the lost. Visiting these sites is an act of reflection and empathy. In their quiet halls, we confront the depths of human cruelty, but also the heights of forgiveness and resilience. Rwanda's transformation is nothing short of miraculous. From the ashes of the 1994 genocide, Rwanda has become Africa's beacon of hope, uniting in forgiveness and innovation. Today, Rwanda stands as a model for the world, turning tragedy into triumph through unity and resilience. In the lively neighborhood of Nyamirambo, Kigali's spirit of innovation finds a home at the Nyamirambo Women's Center. Here, women gather to learn, teach, and support one another, crafting a future defined by empowerment and opportunity. The center offers classes in literacy and business skills, while its workshops produce vibrant textiles and crafts that tell stories of resilience. Through education and collaboration, it transforms lives, uplifts families, and strengthens the fabric of Rwandan society. Rising above the Virunga range, Mount Karisimbi is Rwanda's highest peak, a sentinel of cloud and stone beckoning the adventurous. Lush rainforest gives way to alpine meadows, and the summit reveals a panorama like no other, volcanoes stretching across borders. To stand atop Karisimbi is to touch the sky, if only for a moment. This is Rwanda in its purest form, majestic and endlessly inspiring. In the heart of Kigali, Kimironko Market pulses with life, a kaleidoscope of color, sound, and scent. Here, the city's diversity is on full display. Vendors hawk fresh produce, baskets overflow with tropical fruits, and the air is fragrant with spices. Artisans display intricate crafts, tailors transform vibrant fabrics into wearable art, and shoppers haggle with good-natured laughter. Amidst the bustle and chatter, every transaction is a celebration of community, resilience, and the simple joy of daily life. Rwanda is the world's most extraordinary comeback story, a nation that survived the 20th century's worst genocide and has rebuilt into Africa's most dynamic, clean, and safe country, all while protecting the last mountain gorillas. Rwanda invites you to witness hope, beauty, and courage. Let it change you forever.